If you're watching from Israel, shout out to you. My name is Eddie Graham, the Rock DJ. I'm a Kenyan rock DJ. And every time Eurovision swings around, I check it out. Yeah, I've reviewed the last two Eurovisions. I'm checking out the Israel song for Eurovision 2024, Eden Golan, Hurricane. If you're a big fan of Eurovision, you want to join me in checking out more Eurovision performances. I'm trying to react to as many as possible. Make sure to smash like and subscribe. If I crop or blur the videos because of copyright, let's go.
Write out my symphony, play with me, look into my eyes.
Who is this very beautiful songstress?
Write out my symphony, play with me, look into my eyes and see. People walk away but never say goodbye.
That's an interesting lyric. People walk away but never say goodbye.
People walk away but never say goodbye.
It's very interesting.
Someone stole the moon tonight, took my light. Everything is black and white. Who's the fool who told you boys don't cry?
Those dancers in the background just...
Someone stole the moon tonight, took my light. Everything is black and white. Who's the fool who told you boys don't cry? Hours and hours and powers. Life is no game, but it's ours. While the time goes wild, every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride.
Her voice and this choreography, hey!
While the time goes wild, every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Take it out and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane.
She has an amazing voice. Woo! Oh wait, hurricane. Oh, that's why the tree looks like it has been... yeah, hurricane, because hurricanes typically uproot things. Oh, okay. I was wondering what that tree is doing there.
Hurricane, this hurricane. Living in a fantasy, ecstasy. Everything is meant to be. We shall pass, but love will never die. Hours and hours and powers. Life is no game, but it's ours. Why? The time goes wild. Every day.
Wait a minute, did you hear that? It has like a bit of like a electric rock guitar in there.
Ours, life is no game, but it's ours. Why? The time goes wild. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Take it all and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane.
Just wait a minute. This girl's voice is insane. Like, if I just think of like the reactions I've done and my favorites, I think Eden is like one of like the most insanely talented vocalists. Not at exaggerate or anything. Like her voice is insanely good.
I got nothing to hide. Take it all and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane. לא צריך מילים גדולות, רק תפילות, אפילו אם קשה לראות, תמיד אתה משאיר לי אור אחד קטן.
That was nice, finishing in her dialect. That girl has a voice on her. That girl has an amazing voice. I'm trying to think of like the people that I've done reactions for. I think maybe the only other person that I can think of who had a really good voice was a lady, was I think Poland. But way, that girl has an amazing voice. Really good. I can understand why it has a million views. I mean, the video is also great with all the symbolism of like hurricane and being in a storm and whatnot. The dancing was also pretty good, but her vocal capability, I would love to hear that live. I'm sure live she will blow it away. I'm sure live she'll really blow it away. If you've enjoyed my reaction, make sure to smash like and subscribe. I've done so many reactions for Eurovision 2023 and 2024. If you want to check them out, I'll leave them here. I'll see you in the next one.